In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Jira project. To get started, log into your Atlassian Jira instance and make sure you are on the main dashboard. If you are brand new to Jira, don't worry. The setup process is very guided. And Jira is designed to help you choose a project structure that fits the way your team works. Once you are inside Jira, look over to the left-hand navigation bar and find the Projects menu. Or in some versions, the Spaces area. This is where all your work areas are organized. From there, click the plus icon to create a new project space. Next, you will need to select a project template. Jira groups templates by work type, so you can start with a layout that already matches your team's needs. If you are working in software development, you will usually see options like Scrum and Kanban. Scrum is a good choice if your team plans work in structured sprints. Kanban is better if your team handles a steady flow of tasks without fixed sprint cycles. If your work is more focused on business operations, HR, marketing, or general task coordination, the work management template is often the best fit because it gives you a simpler setup for lists, planning, and calendar-style tracking. After choosing the template you want, click Use Template to continue. Jira will then ask you to choose your project type. You will typically see two options, Team Managed and Company Managed. Team Managed projects are ideal for smaller teams that want more independence and flexibility over their own settings and workflows. Company-managed projects are better for larger organizations that need standardized configurations and more centralized control from a Jira administrator. Choose the option that best fits how your team is organized. Now it's time to define the project details. Enter a clear descriptive name for your project. Something that makes it easy to recognize later. Jira will automatically generate a project key, which is the short code used as the prefix for all issue IDs in that project. You can leave the generated key as it is, or edit it if you want something more specific and memorable. If you are creating a team-managed project, you may also be asked to choose the access level. Here, decide whether the project should be private or open to your organization, depending on who should be able to view and collaborate in it. Once everything looks right, click Create to launch your new workspace. Your Jira project will be ready and you can begin adding tasks, organizing work, and customizing it further as needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.